So today was the first day of 3801's proving acceptance trials on the loop line, which it's passed very successfully. And after this, we'll be moving on to its mainline trials. It'll do 2 or 3 operations like that, and then it will be declared fit for service. Works over the last couple of years have entailed the realignment of the locomotive's driving wheels, replacement of the locomotive's motion gear, including coupling rods and connecting rods, new crossheads, new slide bars, reboring of the cylinders and new piston bore rings. We've also been undertaking work to get ready to replace the locomotive's roller bearings on the front bogie and the driving wheels. This will encompass new bearings, new axle box and new axles, and we're hoping to undertake that work in around 2 years' time. We should be able to build all the componentry ready, so when the engine comes out of service, we can change all those components and get it back in service as quickly as possible. All this has been achieved with thanks to the New South Wales Government, Downer, Lysink Engineering and the wonderful staff and volunteers here at the workshop at New South Wales Rail Museum who have been able to make this a reality today.